Hi guys.
Okay, please don't blow anything up.
I don't know after I like this.
Here. Everything is quite important to me. So I don't put the ring around the rosy. You're supposed to spin around, bro. Learn to play the game. And spiders
Okay, I don't know why I was wearing that. I just wanted to wear that for the intro. So let me put this up. Because I don't want to stab my feet. It's like the second. I literally just tried it and I didn't hear it because I had the well, these on.
Only one piece of string
hold
away
up.
from making a bed. Let's just smelt this.
Alright. I have some stuff to tell you. So I'm gonna go over to my room. Let's do teleportation. And alright, here we go, guys. Oh. I am in my room. Hold up. I'm just gonna cover that. Alright, guys, ready? Boom! Look at this car it got. It comes with a remote controller. Alright, let me turn it on. I put it on the floor. Alright, guys. Before I drive this around, make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to, when you press the subscribe button, make sure to ring the bell button so that you never miss a video. Alright, here we go. I can only steer both hands because I have. Wait, can I put it on? Can I wrap it around my neck? Hold up. Guys, I'm going to try to wrap, because I have a tripod right now. I'm going to try to wrap it around my neck so I don't have to hold it. Oh, so I don't think it's going to work. Let me hold up. Trying to wrap it around my neck. Kind of worked. Oh, I'm in a video game, guys. Look, I'm in first person. Let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, that's the car. I don't know how I'm doing this. I'm in like first person, guys. Check this out. I can barely see. I'm looking at my phone right now so I can see the camera. It's got the controller. I can't really see good. Yeah, definitely gotta work on my steering. Hold up. Guys, you wanna see what I look like right now? Hold up. We're just gonna pause this and I'm gonna go to the mirror so you can see what I'm looking. So you can see how it's wrapped around my neck, okay? Hold up. Alright guys, this is how I look, if you can even see me. Yeah, it's wrapped around my neck right here. And then it goes like over here around my neck. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the back. That's how I look like. Also, read my cut. My dad gave me that. And yeah, that's what my phone looks like. And yeah, alright. I'm just gonna pause and be back in my room. Alright, we're back. I'm gonna put the cards right there. First person. Yo guys, I'm acting in a video game right now. Look. Oh yeah, guys, I'm actually planning to make like a first-person movie, like a first-person video with Mr. Chompers. But guys, if you want, Mr. Chomper's gonna do a face reveal in 2027, so it's gonna like 2 years. My dad told me. So in 2027, he'll do a face reveal, and if he doesn't, don't rage on me, rage on him, because he told me that. He said he was gonna do it in 2024, but then he lied. Alright guys, I'm in the video game look. Don't worry about why monkey box right there. Yo, this is actually like a first person game. Yes, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nah. Yeah, my driving is not the best, so don't rage on me. Oh, wait. Ugh. I was that close to hitting my feet. I was like that. Yeah. Alright, that's what I want to show you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go put. I'm a first person. Oh my! Oh, it doesn't drop. Alright, put this on and turn it off first. There it's off. Alright. I'm literally in first person, guys. So yeah, this is actually really cool. Sergeant Fire is Sergeant Fire. Alert. Yeah. Alright, guys, look. I got the crystal. I love. I don't know. Someone just said I had the power of love because it was that color. Yeah. I have some stuff to ask you, so I'm gonna take this off my neck. That was actually kind of uncomfortable. So, anyways, I seen you guys like the chopstick video. It said POV don't know how to use chopsticks. So I know you guys like that video. So maybe you can comment some ideas for me to do so that I can make it. And then like tomorrow I'm gonna check this video for comments. So it's probably gonna post like in a little bit, but it's like pretty late, kind of. It's almost 7:14. It's yeah. Look at the time, bro. That's literally. Hold up. Let me zoom in on the time. I cannot zoom in. Yo, dude, my phone is glitched. Dude. Alright, the time is right there. You guys can see it. Yeah, that's the time. I also, so yeah, you comment some ideas for me to do, and then tomorrow I'm gonna check it, and then I'm gonna make it, and then post it, and then yeah, you guys just comment ideas for me to make, maybe like a different POV or something, and then I'll do it, post it. I'm good. And yeah. So make sure maybe in a few days I'm gonna make the first person video. That's like a movie. And then yeah, that's really it. Alright, bye guys. Make sure Just gotta Mr. Chompers, or just like, cause he's kind of beating me. And yeah, alright, bye. He's gonna end it, I guess. Shoot. Alright.